Only on NBC5 News tonight, we're launching a new community initiative this week entitled Tomorrow Needs You. Suicide and mental health issues impact all of us, regardless of income or age. To help kick off this new program, NBC's Craig Smolin introduces us to a local business leader who's overcome mental health issues himself and wants to make sure people know that help is out there for everyone.
If I have a heart condition, I go to a cardiologist, I'm okay to talk about that. If it's a cancer and I go to an oncologist. But if I say I went and saw a mental health professional, and I will say, I think this is changing in our country. I think it is more okay to talk about mental health.
Rowe Motors General Manager Steve Rowe readily admits he didn't always feel this way. About 20 years ago, a mental health worker at a leadership conference for car dealers told Rowe he might have PTSD and should consider getting some professional help. The Grants Pass car dealer didn't tell anyone.
Didn't even tell my wife because I was so embarrassed. Because mental health was something that happened to somebody else, but it didn't happen. It was not supposed to happen to me.
Now, with a couple decades of hindsight, Rowe can admit at the time he did carry some anger from his youth. Rowe was bullied both physically and emotionally and given the nickname Lurch, the imposing butler in the popular Addams Family TV show.
Lurch was tall, ugly, and stupid. And I am tall, and I saw myself as ugly, and I definitely saw myself as stupid. And I think when that becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy at that point.
While starting his healing journey wasn't easy, Rowe says opening up to others has helped him tremendously. He encourages anyone going through a tough time to just talk to someone, anyone.
If you're struggling, don't keep it bottled up because it's like a time bomb in us waiting to go off, and it's going to explode. But if we can have the outlet of another person, whoever that person is, or whatever the situation is that makes you well and healthy, that's okay to do.
His quest to help others now has Rowe regularly handing out cards with the simple phrase, "You matter," on them. He wants people to know you are not alone. Help is available.
And I want to encourage others to feel free to open up to others, whether it's to a professional, whether it's to a friend, whether it's to a relative, but open up to somebody.
Helping others and the warmth he gets from doing it are some of the reasons he got involved in the Tomorrow Needs You campaign.
My hope is it saves one life. I'll never know the name of that person. But by going public about a very personal subject in my life, if that can make a difference in thinking about, you know what, it's not just me that's gone through struggles. We've all gone through struggles.
And with resources available like the free and confidential call or text line 988, now available nationally, there's more options than ever to seek help if we're struggling.
You have to find out what works for you, but we have made so much progress in mental health, I think. And are we there yet? Absolutely not. But we are making it more okay to talk about.
Craig Smolin reporting, and tomorrow in part 2 of this exclusive series, Rowe talks about why mental health has natural ups and downs, what rituals he uses for his mental health, and how he's taking his experience on the road to help others find hope.